In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of all Google devices on your Google account. This is really useful if you've lost a device, logged in on a shared computer, or just want to make sure no one else has access to your account. First, open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to your Google account page. The easiest way to do this is to type myaccount.google.com into the address bar and press enter. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Google account credentials. Once you're on your main Google account dashboard, look for the section that manages your security settings. Usually, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Security. This is where Google groups all the tools related to protecting your account, including passwords, two-step verification, and device access. Scroll down until you find the area labeled something like Your Devices or Devices. Here, Google will show you a list of phones, tablets, computers, and other devices that are currently signed in with your Google account. You might see familiar devices like your personal phone and laptop, and maybe some older ones you don't use anymore. Take a moment to carefully review this list. This is important. If you see a device you don't recognize or one that you no longer own, that's a sign you should remove its access. Next to each device, there should be an option like More Details or a three-dot menu. Click that to see more information about when and where that device was last active. From here, you'll see a button or link that says Sign Out, Remove, or Sign Out of this device. Click that to remotely sign out of your Google account on that specific device. Confirm your choice if Google asks you to. You can repeat this process for every device you want to remove. This is how you effectively sign out of all devices that should no longer be connected. After you've signed out of unwanted devices, it's a good idea to go back to the security section and review your recent security activity. If anything looks suspicious, you should immediately change your account password and consider turning on two-step verification to add an extra layer of protection. And that's it. By checking your devices list and signing out of anything you don't use or recognize, you keep your Google account secure and in your control.